Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Alan Caesar and I'll be teaching cognitive neuroscience. I did my training at Washington University in St. Louis and at Stanford University studying clinical psychology and cognitive neuroscience. Cognitive neuroscience is a branch of neuroscience that seeks to understand how the brain enables us to think, plan, reason, make decisions, those sorts of things. So I understand that for a lot of students, this might be their first exposure to cognitive neuroscience and neuroscience in general. But my goal with this course is to help people understand the brain's a fascinating organ, and it is involved in controlling thought and behavior in some really interesting ways. So in the class, we focus on familiar sensory experiences, and we talk about some of the structures and networks and systems and mechanisms that allows humans to process sensory information from the environment, as well as how these signals are transformed into electrical activity that the brain can process. So we have an anatomy lab where we'll be dissecting brain tissue. We have a technology lab where we will be using cutting-edge technology to analyze functional connectivity data, actual MRI data, and a couple other field trips and exercises. But I think in this course, hopefully students will gain not only a better understanding of how their brains enable them to interact with the world, but also about some of the tools and methods that neuroscientists use to study the brain. So I hope to see you there.